Little by little, one walks far. So was our institutional studio. Studio focuses on two sensitive matters. One deals with the psychological changes in human behavior leading towards a toxic character. Juvenile and Rehabilitation Center. Another deals with the sensitivity of physical disorders. Center for Blind and Handicapped. Center for Blind and Handicapped. A sighted person judges the blind not for who they are, but the fear of blindness inspires. As we are aware that in today's world, one who cannot keep with the pace of self-proclaimed mainstream society is known as vanished. One such vanished group of people are the one living with the impairment. Keeping the same group of people in mind, an institution is to be designed for their betterment and advancement. Understanding the dominant group of users in terms of anthropometry, behaviors enlightening the senses of accessibility, activities which they can perform, Indian ratio along with the type of disability. Analyzing the existing intervention in the form of case study is a reason to capture the range of perspectives and to understand the subject in hand. To prevent the fading agenda, focusing on special requirements and design strategies as per the dominant group of users. Population of Vastrapur was kept in consideration for the intake calculation. Also, site was adjacent to the Anjan Mandal, which gave a freedom to decide what kind of intervention we have to propose along with the amenities. The site is adjacent to one of the such existing entity known as Blind People's Association or commonly known as Anjan Mandal Ahmedabad. Providing a dominant context and a prime location for the program, site also consists of several natural features. Designing such an institute demands hours of studying and understanding the user group. The site planning was to be done in order to minimize the physical strain on the users. Minimalistic approach was adopted in the terms of circulation and the movement. Various concept derivation considering the senses, circulation, access, linearity and ease. Levels were worked out in order to provide ease of movement and yet designed to be smooth enough to attract and please the users. In the end, it all comes down to the betterment of the users.
To design a juvenile and rehabilitation center, it is important to understand physical and mental state of young ones, what brings them here, and what are the situations they go through. The research focuses on psychological reasons, social learning theories, gradient of crimes by juveniles, rules for CNCP and CCL, identifying petty, serious and heinous crimes. Also, the reasons, causes and effects behind substance addictions among the generation along with the execution of detoxification. The program demands an understanding of human behavior with respect to colors, functions and spaces. Analyzing existing interventions in form of case studies is the reason to capture range of perspectives and to understand the subject in hand to prevent fading of agenda. Arranging the hierarchy of function along with the intake calculation, analysis and calculations help to formulate an appropriate program for the users. The program demanded higher security. The selected site is in the outskirts of Bharuch on the banks of river Narmada, submerged in lush greenery. The site provides a secure, peaceful and calm environment. The motive of the design is to heal by creating a sense of belonging and equality among the users themselves, motivating them to realize their own faults and bringing amendments to their lives and becoming a contributing member towards the society. Design process including concept derivation, zoning, covering all the research aspects which acts as a passage for the user, where they get a chance to reshape their future for a better tomorrow.